Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and OMG, y'all, I hope you're ready because we have a Dollar General clearance event coming up, and you know your girl has you covered. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and it is absolutely free. And while you're at it, you know I love hearing from you, so don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and leave some comments down in the comment section below. Alright guys, we've got a lot to talk about in today's video, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Up first, if you missed yesterday's video, it's a pretty fun little video. Make sure that you go and check it out. It will be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And now let's talk about this epic DG clearance event. Now this is going to start next Friday on August the 30th, and it is going to run through Monday, September the 2nd. So mark your calendars, turn on those notifications, and get ready because for the next week, I will be uploading video after video after video going over all of the deals that you can find during this Dollar General clearance event. But for now, let's take a look at which categories will be included in this DG clearance event. Up first, we have our summer barbecue food items. These are currently sitting at 25% off and will be an additional 50% off during the clearance event, and I will have those visuals coming up shortly for you. So again, make sure that you have your notifications turned on. Up next, we have our purple clover home decor categories, so that will include our safari and our shades of gray categories. These are currently sitting at 25% off and will be an additional 50% off during the clearance event. Now here's just a few visuals for you all, but there are many more items included in this category, so look high, look low, look everywhere you go, and scan, scan, scan. All right, up next we have our green clover blueprints home decor category. These items are currently sitting at 25% off and will be an additional 50% off during the clearance event. So what you want to be on the lookout for are the green clovers with the white background. That means that they are a part of this blue prints home decor category. And again, if you're ever in doubt, scan, scan, scan. Now y'all let me know, are you excited for this DG clearance event? I know I am. During the last clearance event, I scored so many fantastic deals, so I'm really looking forward to this one. Now up next, we also have our green clover beehive home decor category. These items are also currently sitting at 25% off and will be an additional 50% off during the clearance event. All right, up next, we have our green clover spring happy home decor $1 items. These are currently on clearance right now for 50% off. So during the clearance event, they are going to be an additional 50% off, which means that they are going to be 75% off. Also meaning that these items will be just 25 cents. We also have our green clover spring bakeware category. These items are currently sitting at 50% off and will be an additional 50% off during the clearance event. And I will have a full visual video up for you all shortly for these categories. But we are not done with green clover just yet because we have even more green clover categories right now at DG, and that does include our summer barbecue, our fiesta, and our ice cream categories. These are currently sitting at full price, but they will be 50% off during this clearance event. And y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because I have more green clover info coming soon, so turn on those notifications. Next up, we have our green and yellow diamond select electronics. These are currently sitting at 25% off and will be an additional 50% off during the clearance event. We also have our NCI dinnerware and pantry items. These are currently sitting at 50% off and will be an additional 50% off during the clearance event. What I recommend you do on these items is just go down that NCI aisle and scan, scan, scan because there are tons and tons of items that they are including in this category. All right, next up, another really exciting category. We have our blue dot toys. These are currently sitting at 70% off and will be an additional 50% off during the clearance event. Here are just a few visuals to get you started. As always, be on the lookout for that blue dot on the price tag, but scan to double check before you go up to the register because we do have new Blue Dot items rolling out on the sales floor. All right, up next we have select sanitizers and wipes. Now these are full price, but they will be 50% off during the clearance event. And the most exciting part of the DG clearance events, we are going to have our clearance sections. These will be an additional 50% off of their already clearanced price. And we are also going to have our POG and hidden clearance items that will be an additional 50% off. And again, make sure that you stick around and stay tuned for more information on POG clearance and hidden clearance items. Now, this is very important. As you all have heard me say throughout this entire video, we are going to have select categories, our clearance section, POG clearance items, and hidden clearance items that will be an additional 50% off during the clearance event. And that is true for most stores. However, we are going to have stores that will be an additional 70% off. So if you can find one of those 70% off stores, that means that you are going to get some really epic deals. Now, last but certainly not least, let's go over a few quick tips and tricks. Number one, study. Over the next week, you guys will see that I go all out for Dollar General clearance events. I have been putting out clearance event videos for years now, and I absolutely love it. We're going to go over hidden clearance items, coupon matchups, rebates, the whole 9 yards, and I will be putting out new videos every single day. So make sure that you stick around and stay tuned. Turn on those notifications, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. That way you don't miss out on any epic deals. Tip number 2, don't get too hung up on having all of the UPC codes and do not pay attention to what the inventory says in the app. We already know that the app is wrong 99% of the time when it comes to those things. So the best thing that you can do is just take screenshots and make your own list of items that you really want to pick up and find during this clearance event. Tip number 3, don't forget that on Saturday we should have our 5 off $25 coupons, so we can definitely stack that up with our clearance event deals and come out with some epic savings. Tip number 4, don't forget about the pennies. In my opinion, during these DG clearance events, that is one of the best times to go penny shopping, so don't forget about those penny items. And for those of you who are super supporters of the channel and watch the videos all the way through and amazing crazy couponers, here's a quick cheat sheet for you all, and make sure that you stick around and stay tuned for part 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Who knows where we're going to end, because during the last clearance event, I believe I ended up putting out a total of 7 or 8 videos, including YouTube shorts. So there's a lot more information coming. We are also going to have some sales on top of this DG clearance event. So I've got a lot coming at you all in the next few days. So again, make sure that you have those notifications turned on. If you are new to shopping the DG clearance events, make sure that you go and check out this video right here. In that video, I go over all of my pro tips and tricks, and I'll have you shopping like a pro during this Dollar General clearance event. So that video will be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And y'all know the drill. Stick around and stay tuned, because I'll have more crazy deals coming at you all very soon. So before you go, don't forget to do all of the things. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.